How to fix ChatGPT image generation not working on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application ChatGPT. If you are logged into your account, tap on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now simply click on your name at the bottom. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down and then tap on Logout and then click on Yes. Once you have been logged out of your account, you have to try logging into different account. Well, enter the login credential of your account and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, try generating the image that you want. Well, if you haven't bought the subscription yet, then you will only be able to generate 3 images per day. Well, if it exceeds 3 images, then you will not be able to generate more. So after the 3 images is generated, you can try generating the image from different account. After that, you might be good to go. Or else, what you can do is tap on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on your name. Click on Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Well, you have to buy the subscription of ChatGPT Plus. After that, you will get to generate unlimited amount of images and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.